Hi, my name is Lori with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make an entire Thanksgiving meal. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to line our tart shell with our pie dough. And I'm just using a refrigerated pie dough because they're really good these days and they work really well. And really the easiest way to do it is to unroll it over your pie shell or over your tart pan shell. And just let it kind of fall. Don't push it in just yet. And once you have it in your tart shell, all we're going to do is we're going to lift and we're going to press in so it gets full. So lift and press in. Lift and press in. And that will really help keep your tart from tearing. Again, you want to be very gentle with this pie dough. You want to make sure that you don't tear it. Another trick is to keep it cool. The cooler that you keep it, the puffier that it'll be whenever you cook it, or the crispier it'll be. Okay, looks like we've got our pie shell in there really well.